the direction where the vector is going. So let us assume this is the origin. Let us assume this is the origin. Then we go like this. With that arrow there, we have the P there. What is the coordinates of P? The coordinates of P is 3, negative 1. Then in the same origin where we have O, let me do another one, which I will name as the Q. What is the coordinate of Q? It is 1, 3. This is what we have. Now the question is, let us find the vector PQ, meaning from there going here. Now, the issue is this: the only direction we have is from O to P and also from O to Q. So we don't have the direction P, Q. We are yet to form that direction. So how do we do it? So we have to move like this. So to find the PQ, in this case, I'm answering now. We have to write P, PO plus OQ. Now, do we have PO? The answer is no. Why am I saying no? Because the arrow shows that it is O to P. So if I write PO, it means I'm reversing. I'm doing an inverse movement. So if I'm reversing, it will mean that the vector, it will carry a negative sign. So I'm going to have negative PO plus OQ. Negative PO plus OQ. Then we move to the next point where we have, what do we have the next point there? PO, we have this negative there. Now, what is our OP? In short, I've written it like that. PO, we are going to get this point. So the XC, we are going to write it in a column form. We are going to have 3 and negative, negative 1. Remember, there's a negative outside. Then we say plus C. What is OQ? It is 1 and 3. So that is what we have. Now that we have negative, then open bracket. This means that we are multiplying this negative by everything inside. So our next point, it will be negative 3. Then we are going to have a positive 1 at the bottom. Then we'll say plus 1 and 3 at the bottom. So the next point we are going to have there now, we are going to say negative 3 plus 1. Then we have 1 plus 3. Then we will move like that. Then we are going to have, what is negative 3 plus 1? I must believe that everyone knows this. Negative 3 plus 1. Is the answer 4? Or the answer 2? Or the answer is negative 4? Or the answer is negative 2? Or the answer is I don't know? Okay? All answers are respected. So the correct answer is negative 2. Then 1 plus 3, the answer is 4. So that is, then maybe you can say therefore PQ is equal to negative 2 and 4 like this. Or you write it as negative 2, 4. It will still mean the same thing. That is the answer we have, negative 2, 4 or negative 2, 4. So let's have another example.